Morning students, we are going to study class 10th commercial applications. Under this subject, the topic which we are going to start today is marketing mix. As we all know that every company wants to achieve some marketing objectives. They want to achieve good amount of profit. They want to achieve a good sale target, and they want to achieve a good position in the market. So for this achieving this marketing objectives, they have to prepare a good marketing plan. And every good marketing plan depends on several factors: the product, the price, the way how we are reaching the products into the consumers, and how we are advertising the product, means the way of promoting the products through different media or different other sources. So that is called marketing plan. Now, meaning of marketing. In order to satisfy the needs and wants of the consumers, every business firm has to develop an appropriate marketing mix. The marketing mix consists four things: what product are to be produced, what price are to be kept of the product, how the product are to be distributed, means the channel of distribution through different channels, how the products will be sent to market or the consumers, and how the customers will be made aware about the product, means how will the promotion of the product will take place. According to William Stanton, marketing mix is a combination of four elements. These elements: product, price, distribution mix, which is written here place mix, and the promotional activities which are used to satisfy the needs of an organizational target's market, and at the same time achieving the marketing objectives which is written here in your book. So marketing mix represents the total marketing programs of an enterprise, right from the idea of a product, after the sales of the product, everything comes under the marketing mix. If we know the marketing mix of any company, it means we know the total marketing program of any organization. Different customers groups differ in their income, taste, habit and preferences. I may like some other thing, my neighbor like some other things, my friends like some other things, even my some family members like some other things. So we all are different in our incomes, our taste, our preferences, our choices. So a good marketing mix is planned keeping the target market, to whom we are going to target, which customer we are going to target. Are we going to target elite customers? Are we going to target middle class customers? Or we are going to target at the low level, depending upon the company to whom they want to target, and keeping in view the target market or the target customer a good marketing mix is planned. The basic purpose of marketing mix is to satisfy the needs of and wants of the customers in the most effective manner. As the needs of the customers change, marketing mix may have to be changed. One customer may not like every time the same product, or his choice may not be same at every time. So marketing mix is also changed time to time. As per the need of the time, as per the need of the hour, or as per the want and desires of a customer, the marketing mix is changed. So this is a dynamic concept which changes as per the environment. An appropriated marketing mix helps the enterprise to meet the present and future needs of an identified market and achieve the profit goals. Every company wants to achieve good profit. As we all know, profit is a phenomena which is lying everywhere. Every company wants to achieve good amount of profit. So in order to achieve good amount of profit, every company prepares a good marketing plan. Now, why there is an important or an importance of this marketing mix? First, it is written here, it is decided keeping in view the needs and desires of a target group of customers. Therefore, it helps the firms in increasing the sales and profit. Whenever the marketing mix is planned or prepared, it is prepared keeping in view that which customers are to be targeted. What are the needs and wants of those customers? So if we target such customers and it is done in effective manner, the company is able to earn good amount of profit. Like if we take an example of a shop who has his shop in the locality where most of the middle class people are living, and he sells only those products which are especially purchased by elite class people, then definitely his business will no longer survive. Why? Because he is not targeting the customers where his shop is situated. So this is also an important thing. The marketing mix is important because it is prepared keeping in view the target market. Second, the book says, the writer says, it maintains a balance between various elements which are interrelated. Therefore, marketing mix represents an integrated approach in the marketing. There are several elements in the marketing mix, and this marketing mix prepares a good interrelationship between different factors, different elements. That is why this marketing mix has got an important, because what step we are taking today will be affecting tomorrow's working. Now next, it serves as a link between business firms and customers. The marketing mix serves as a link between the business firm and its customers. It helps in pursuing customer-oriented marketing. Next, marketing mix is changed with changes in the requirement of customers. It helps in maintaining an equilibrium between business firms and marketing environment. Whatever the marketing environment is, political, legal, economical and other environment, the marketing mix is framed keeping in view this environment. So this is also an important thing. That is why marketing mix has got important. In our next lecture, we will be discussing about the elements of marketing mix in detail, which are written over here. We will be continuing this in detail. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.